So there's the New Year's Eve Christmas tree. I've had it like this for the last 6 nights. And after midnight, it's done. I'll be taking it down tomorrow morning. So I'm just waiting around. It's New Year's Eve. It's quiet. I'm listening to Chopin. And trying to think about what I'm going to do for tomorrow. It's not much happening around here. It's very quiet. I hear there's no fireworks tonight. So I plan to put a chair out on the balcony and ring in the new year with the church bells that'll be going off. And maybe somebody will set off some fireworks. But, well, we'll just hang in here for a little bit and I'll listen to Chopin, and I'll get back to you when I go outside and ring in the new year. I hope you're all having a great time, or had a great time if you're not watching this right as I made it. But yeah, 2024 was one of the best years for me. I'd say it was one of the best years ever. And so on that note, it's only going to get better. And so lots in store, lots to look forward to. Okay, well, thanks for being here with me throughout the year, and looking forward to more to come. Okay, later. Well, it's almost midnight, and it's a pretty quiet night out here. There's a bar just over here, not next to the high rise. Yeah, next to the high rise, there's a little bar. They're having a New Year's party. I can hear the music just thumping away there. Yeah, let's take a look around. That's the building there, that small one there across the street. There's the church. They just rang a bell a few minutes ago, so we'll just get that in a few minutes. Fireworks way over there. There's a couple of good blasts, but now there's nothing. Okay. Yeah, this is sad. I've been going to bed at 9:30 these past few nights, so staying up to midnight's getting kind of hard. Oh. Wow. Any minute now. That church is starting off kind of slow. It's not quite midnight yet. It's getting warmed up. But boy, is it way to say goodbye to 2024. It's going out like a lamb, I guess. Is that what they call it? There we go. I was told there was no fireworks tonight. It's very odd looking fireworks. Red ball in the sky. can see all the people down there lining up to go into this, I guess it would be kind of like a rave. So out with the old. Hello, 2025. I thought it would only be fair to listen to the church bells right to the very end. Well, I guess that's it for my New Year's. I hope yours was a lot more exciting than this. Oh, is that over there? What's that? Okay, now I'll go to sleep now. Okay, well, thanks for watching. This might put you to sleep. Good night and Happy New Year.